the analysis of Buddha Smriti Park, a visionary development by Nitish Kumar's government. Buddha's Smriti Park, an iconic landmark in Patna, Bihar, stands as a testament to the vision and commitment of Nitish Kumar's government to preserve and promote the cultural and spiritual heritage in the state. Inaugurated on May 27, 2010 by the 14th Dalai Lama, the park was constructed to commemorate the 2554th birth anniversary of the Lord Buddha, symbolizing peace, enlightenment and harmony. Here is the concept and the vision. The park was conceptualized as a tribute to Bihar's historical significance as the birthplace of Buddhism. Patna, formerly Patliputra, hold immense cultural importance due to its proximity to the key Buddhist sites such as Bodh Gaya, Rajgir and Vaishali. The Nitish Kumar's-led government envisioned Buddha's Smriti Park as a spiritual and cultural hub that would attract pilgrims and tourism from across the globe while fostering a sense of pride among locals. Development and the features of Buddha Smriti Park. Spread over 22 acres in the heart of Patna, the park was built at estimated cost of 125 crore. It replaced the old Bankipur jail, transforming the space into a scenic and aesthetically pleasing urban park. Key highlights: Patliputra Karuna Stupa. The centerpiece of the park is 200-foot high stupa designed to the house of sacred relics of Buddha. These relics, brought from Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Japan, South Korea and Thailand, are displayed in a scientific environment, making the stupa a reserved site for Buddhism pilgrims. Meditation Center. The park features a world-class meditation center designed to accommodate 1,000 people. Its tranquil ambience, enhanced by natural highlighting and minimalistic design, provides visitors with an ideal space to introspections and mindfulness. Museum and Gallery. The park museum showcases Buddhist artifacts and sculptures from various countries, reflecting the global impact of Buddhism. The galleries narrate the life and technique of Lord Buddha, enriching visitors with knowledge and inspiration. Bodhi Tree. The park houses spelling of the sacred Bodhi tree, one from Bodh Gaya and another from Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka. This tree symbolizes the continuity of Buddha's enlightenment and teaching. Modern amenities. The park includes eco-friendly infrastructure, a musical fountain, and well-maintained walkways, offering a blend of tradition and modernity. Here is the impact and legacy of the Buddha's Smriti Park. Buddha's Smriti Park has transformed the Patna's cultural landscape, emerging as a major attraction for domestic and international tourism. It has bolstered the city's tourism profile, contributing to economic growth and employment. Furthermore, it serves as a center for interfaith dialogue, promoting universal value of peace and compassion. The project exemplifies the Nitish Kumar government dedication to cultural preservation and urban development. It is not only honored Bihar's rich Buddhism heritage, but also aligned with the broader goals of making the state hub for spiritual and cultural tourism. Here is the conclusion of the Buddhism Smriti Park, which will stand as a symbol of Bihar's glorious past and its aspirations for the future. Under Nitish Kumar's leadership, the park has become a beacon of peace and source of pride for the state, reflecting the timeless technique of Lord Buddha. Thank you for watching this video.